The more you chase her, the less attached she feels. But when she feels your value, everything changes. Most men try harder when they feel distance. They text more, explain more, push more. But pressure kills attraction fast. Real attachment grows in space, not force. So how do you make her feel attached naturally? It starts with how you carry yourself. First, stop making her your whole world. People value what already has value. If your life looks empty without her, she feels the weight. If your life is full, she feels curiosity. Have goals, have routines, have your own focus. Let her see you have direction. A man with purpose feels rare. Rare things create attachment. But here's the truth. Attention is cheap. Presence is what people remember. When you talk to her, be fully there. Listen deeper than most people do. Notice the small things she says. Remember details others forget. Her favorite snack, her stress this week. That story she told once and never repeated. This makes her feel seen. And feeling seen creates emotional pull. Pay attention to this. Many people feel lonely in company. Very few feel understood. Be the person who understands. She won't forget that. Next, stop over-explaining yourself. Needy energy often sounds like long explanations. I was busy, that's why I replied late. I didn't mean it like that, let me explain. Calm people don't over-defend everything. Confidence is often quiet. If you made a mistake, own it simply. If not, stay centered. This is where it gets interesting. Emotional safety creates attachment faster than compliments. If she feels judged, she closes. If she feels safe, she opens. Don't mock her feelings. Don't punish honesty. If she says she had a hard day, listen. Don't turn it into your story. If she shares insecurity, don't use it later. Trust grows when pain feels protected. And trust becomes attachment. Slowly, deeply, quietly. Next, become slightly unpredictable. Not toxic, not confusing, just alive. Predictable boredom kills emotional energy. Pleasant surprise keeps emotion awake. Send a thoughtful message she didn't expect. Suggest a random coffee run. Remember something she mentioned and bring it up later. Small surprises feel powerful. Why? Because emotions remember contrast. Routine fades, moments stick. But here's the truth. Mystery is not silence. Mystery is depth. Don't reveal everything at once. Let her discover layers over time. Have opinions, have stories, have standards. Let conversation unfold naturally. If she knows everything in one day, curiosity dies. If she keeps discovering you, curiosity stays alive. Curiosity often turns into attachment because the mind returns to what it wants to understand. Pay attention to this. Boundaries are attractive. They show self-respect. Don't accept rude behavior to keep her. Don't cancel your whole life every time she calls. Say yes when you mean yes. Say no when you mean no. Healthy limits create healthy desire. People trust strength they can feel. Next, make her feel good about herself. This is deeper than compliments. Anyone can say, "You look nice." Few people reflect someone's deeper value. Tell her she handles pressure well. Tell her you admire her loyalty. Notice her mind, not just her face. Notice her effort, not just results. When people feel elevated around you, they return. That return becomes attachment. This is where many fail. They become too available too soon. Constant access removes emotional tension. You don't need to disappear. Just keep your own rhythm. Reply with balance. Live your life between conversations. Let missing you happen naturally. Space can strengthen feelings. And finally, be emotionally steady. Mood swings create stress, not love. Don't become cold when insecure. Don't become clingy when afraid. Stay warm. Stay grounded. Stay clear. Stability feels rare today, and rare things are hard to leave. That's how attachment forms, not by forcing, not by chasing, but by becoming someone she feels safe losing. Someone valuable, calm, and real. If you do that, she'll lean closer on her own. No pressure needed. If this opened your eyes, keep watching. There's more most people never learn.